from Banihal to Srinagar, and it costed me around 45 rupees. Namaste everyone and welcome back to the channel. So I have reached Banihal railway station and it's very hot here, and I don't know why I'm wearing my jacket. I'm going to show you how Banihal railway station looks from outside, and then I'll show you from inside. So guys, you can see this is the Banihal railway station written over there, you can see, and from here you can get a train of Srinagar. Guys, you can see there is very big queue for ticket at the ticket counter. So guys, people of Kashmir, they are so amazing, I was standing in a queue and the queue was very big for getting ticket. So one lady, she asked me like, where you are going? I was like, I'm going to Srinagar. So she took money from me and she stood in a queue and she got a ticket for me. So it costed me 45 rupees from Banihal to Srinagar, cheapest way to travel, and my train was at 10:30, but it got cancelled, and now this train will leave. You can see in the background, yes, this train will leave at 11:25 a.m. and now I'm going to show you the ticket and I'll show you the railway station. So guys, you can see this is the ticket from Banihal to Srinagar, and it costed me around 45 rupees. And this is the Banihal railway station, you can see. That is the entry. So guys, this is the cheapest way to reach Srinagar via train, and so many people, they don't know about you can reach Srinagar by train. So you have to come to Banihal, and from Banihal you can take train till Baramulla. So guys, I'll show you once train starts, I'll show you the training journey also. And there is an auntie, she no YouTube channel. I met her when I was standing in a queue for ticket. She's also going to Srinagar for the first time by train. She is locally from Srinagar. So guys, it's 11:15 now, and within 10 minutes train will start. And look here. She's feeling shy. I met Asra in train and she's going to Anantnag, and she saw me while I entered the railway station. And this train has become very crowded. You can see people are sitting down also because 10:30 train got cancelled. And I'll show you the views once train starts. We are sitting down and it has become very crowded. And this Banihal railway station has 3 platforms. So guys, finally train has started, and it will take 2 hours to reach Srinagar. I reach by 1:30 p.m. or I don't know when. I'll try to show you, it's not coming clear, but train is moving, if you can see. And guys, you can see baby Hamia is sitting in my lap. Say hi. You can see train is moving, and you can see that is the national highway. There down you can see the train is moving. Show you from here. now train has stopped at Anantnag railway station, and I missed to film the tunnel because baby was sitting in my lap. But from Anantnag, I'll show you the view how it looks till Srinagar. So guys, this is the Anantnag railway station. You can see and see how crowded is this train. Guys, you can see the views now. So guys, I'm standing and filming. The grassland are looking so amazing. Something went inside my eyes. Beach Biada railway station has come now. See how crowded the train is. And this train will go till Baramulla. That is the end railway station of India. So guys, I have finally reached Srinagar railway station. To be honest, the train journey was not so scenic, but it was the cheapest way to reach over here, and I met amazing people on my way. I don't know why my bag has become tilted. So this is the Srinagar railway station, you can see. I'm going out. So guys, you can see this is the Srinagar railway station, and this is the exit, and there you can get your bus or whatever you want. So you have to go from this side. So guys, I'm going to end my today's vlog over here, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Till then, take care of yourself and stay safe. Bye.